And
Good to be back.
hey,
If I don't get a job soon, I'm going to need that sub back. Ha ha.
goddamn. Well, GG, I guess. But I did add a new camera to the setup, and that is going to be this camera. The idea of this camera is for enhancing the build experience, so that is what it's here for. I hope you all enjoy. In future, it'll be in a different position and provide a little bit more of like a top-down angle view, so that way you can kind of see more of what's happening here, but that is the plan. My wife likes your keyword. Hey, thank you. Everything kind of matches right now, and I'm digging it. Let's do this. So, as a present for someone. All right, so let's move this out of the way. All right, Keychron Q2. So, this is the knob version. So it's gonna have a knob in the top right-hand corner. 65% layout, exploded. 65% layout. So you've got arrow cluster in the bottom right-hand corner that's offset from kind of the rest of the even bezels around the keyboard. Same thing with the knob and the 2 additional keys that you get on the side. So this was the fully assembled kit, and I believe it was the Keychron Pro Reds that was selected. This is for someone. It's a present for someone. Keycap puller. This one's actually not too bad. So that's pretty good. The one thing in this box I would not recommend using is if you ever get a switch puller that is like this, throw it away. Hold on, this is for YouTube purposes. I'm gonna do this so editing me thanks me for it, but this is the, I believe it's referred to as the navy blue colorway on their website. I would say it's more so, this is exactly the color I thought it would be. I have another keyboard, smaller keyboard, that is referred to as samurai blue, and this color would be closer to that than navy. Like the keycaps on here are navy. These are navy. This is much brighter than that. Take it in. I don't know if I got a chance to show like this off earlier. So again, side angle, front. There's your knob. Other side. Got some polyfill sticking out there. Bottom. Cool. Now I'm curious what this sounds like. Ooh. That's actually really nice. So we've got the Keychron Q2 with silent alpacas, the Infinity Apple-inspired black on white keycaps, stock stabilizers with some Crytox 205 mix applied to it, and tape mod and polyfill, which I don't think were entirely necessary. I said this a little bit ago, but here we are. So here we go. if you're looking for a really nice keyboard that isn't going to completely destroy your wallet, and it comes with a lot of really good stuff stock, even if you weren't planning to mod it, you could use it as is. The Keychron Q2 gets a seal of approval from me. This is a cool board.